Hey guys, wanted to make a short video showing you the steps of your first assignment. So your first assignment is due Friday, August 28th at 11:30 a.m. before lunch. It's worth 10 points and you have to submit one image that you make using R. So to make an image using R, you have to install R and you have to install RStudio, the interface that we're going to be using. Right, so you've got steps on how to do that. Once you do that, you're going to download and import the US Senators 2026 dataset. All right. When you have done that and you open up RStudio, go to Import Dataset from Excel and then find where on your computer you've got the data set. Now, the name of it is US Senators 2026. That's a lot to type. I'm going to change that to SEN, which is going to stand for Senators. All right, we have imported it. Now, I'm going to check nrow, saying, what's the number of rows of the Senator data set? And it's 100. Good news, there's 100 senators in the US Senate, so we're off to a good start. Now we're going to make a box plot. So boxplot of the Senate data set. I'm going to hit the $sign and I will pick what I want. So I want years in office. It's going to tell me how many years have the senators been in office. Now it produces a data set, a box plot that looks like this. I want to make a number of modifications here. So if I hit the up arrow, it brings up the last thing that I did, and then I can go in and I can do some edits. So the first edit that I want to do is horizontal equals true, all capital letters. When I do that, it rotates my graph 90 degrees, and it looks more like the kind of box plots that you're probably used to working with. All right, next, I'm going to put a comma. Shift enter is going to take me to the next line. It's going to help things be organized. Main. So I'm going to put my last name, Nazarevich, US Senate. That's going to produce a title above. So again, I'm going to go up. I'm going to do two more changes. I'm going to label the x-axis xlab, call it, let's see, how many years they have been in the Senate. And the last thing I'm going to do is color equals maroon. So my box plot will be maroon, but for your box plot, depending on the last name of your, depending on what your last name is, these are the different colors. So if your last name begins with P, then looks like you're going to have a pink box plot. So make your box plot. Looks like the label should be years in office. I can make that change up and go here and just say years in office. Right. Now, when you do that, when you're done, you can save the image as, or you can export whatever you do. And this is the image that you're going to submit and start off your semester with a 10 out of 10, 100. What a great start.